All right, so this is questions 13 and 14 from the review. I'm glad I looked at these. Questions 15 and 16 were the ones with the line of best fit. Those are the ones that I don't want you to worry about. But these two I do want you to look at. So 13 is saying, suppose you bought a used car for $15,000 a few years ago. Its value has been decreasing at the rate of $1,000 a year. Find the y-intercept of the graph and explain what it means. Remember, your y-intercept is a point, not a number. So here are the two pieces, or the two numbers that we're dealing with. We bought a car for $15,000. That is what the car costs, $15,000. And then we see this key phrase, it has been decreasing at a rate of $1,000 per year since then. So there it is. There's that $1,000, that rate of $1,000. So my equation of a line has a slope and a y-intercept. The y-intercept, or that b value, is how much I have when no time has passed or when nothing has occurred. And how much was the car? The car's $15,000. So that's b. Now, what has the car been doing? It's been decreasing in value. How much has it been decreasing in value? It's been decreasing by $1,000 a year. So in my equation, that's $1,000 a year. And there I have it. So there's my equation. Y is equal to negative 1,000x plus 15,000. And why is this important? What does it do? Because now, when no time has passed, the car is worth 15,000. When 1 year has passed, when x is 1, 1 times negative 1,000 is negative 1,000. Negative 1,000 plus 15,000 is 14,000. So this will pass, okay? Now, again, the question didn't ask you to go that far. It asked you to find the y-intercept. The y-intercept, we know, is when x equals 0. And when x equals 0, y is 15,000, which means this is the point, 0, 15,000. And that is A. For number 14, you bought a used car for $23,000 a few years ago. It's been decreasing at a rate of 2,300. Find the slope and the line, slope of the line, and explain what it means. Once again, I bought a used car for $23,000. That is not a rate, that is how much it cost. When I run into a rate, it's right here. It's been decreasing at a rate of $2,300 per year. So if I want to write the equation, and what is this equation giving me? This equation is going to tell me how much the car is worth after X years have passed. So my slope is negative 2,300. X is the number of years that have passed. And when I bought the car, I paid $23,000 for it. So this one is asking me what is the slope and what is the significance of the sign. Well, the slope is negative 2,300. That means that the car is losing $2,300 in value for every year that passes. So that is C. Right? The sign means that it's decreasing. If the slope was not negative, it would mean that it was increasing. So the fact the slope is negative is what tells us that we have a decreasing problem.